Welcome aboard this well-maintained Viking 58 convertible located in Marina del Rey, California, and brought to you by Mason Starring with Denison Yachting. One of the more popular sport fisher models from the Viking line, she comes packed with features to make the most of your time out on the water. El Jefe is equipped with two 1,200 horsepower MAN engines with long-range fuel tanks, as well as dual 20 kilowatt Northern Lights generators. Whether hauling in a catch on the oversized cockpit or launching the tender with the foredeck davit, this sport fisher is equal parts form and function. The large flybridge with additional guest seating is the perfect place to command the vessel. The salon features custom furnishings, a spacious galley, and an L-shaped settee to port, making it ideal for both relaxing and entertaining. A 3-stateroom and ensuite layout ensures the comfort and privacy of all on board. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private showing of this fully equipped and well-appointed Viking 58 convertible, please contact Mason Starring with Denison Yachting.